I got them everlasting Rex sex films, I can spend the whole day in there. Pull it out while I was fucking her up. If you get the pussy, eat up the drink and splash. Whoa, I'm loaded. Pockets gon' step out the bus on bus. When you pouring it, feels car extended wall clips. Wall kind of got a pouring bitch.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a minute since you guys have seen me come on camera and record. I know. But I have been really just going through life. That's kind of the best way to put it. Excuse me if I'm looking down and not at the actual camera, because I just got a new camera and I'm using the live screen to look at myself because I don't have a mirror now. Like, I used to have a mirrorless camera and now I don't have a mirrorless camera, so I have to look at myself in the monitor somehow. So I've been using a digital monitor basically to see myself. So if you see me kind of looking at the screen and not the camera, I'm sorry. I've just been going through just a rough patch in life, and I haven't really came to film a video because I haven't felt really up to par to even record or film or any of that. So I've just been like just laying low, chilling, but I'm back. I'm feeling better than ever. I'm feeling more confident than ever. I'm just really excited to see where my channel's headed. I actually have some new equipment. I just moved into my new apartment, so I just have a lot of working great things going on. So that's pretty much it. This is like my signature go-to, like when I'm finna go out and I need to do something quick, this is what I'm doing. Before we get started, like, what is you doing? What is you doing? Before we get started, before we jump into this video, like, you need to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, I'm judging you. Like my auntie Jackie said, I'm judging you if you ain't subscribed, because you come in, you watching my videos, you doing all this extra stuff, you tell me how pretty I look, but you ain't subscribed. You ain't showing the girl no love. Like, so you need to go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. Because if you not, then whoop the whoop whoop, what you here for? Okay? No, I'm just kidding. But, you know, we're trying to get to like 100,000 followers by like next year. That's pushing it, but it's a goal. But we're trying to get there. So yeah, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, all the good things, and I will see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and that's it. Bye. Alright, so after the 30th freaking take, I am officially ready to start filming this video, well, voiceover in this video. I am prepping my face. I'm using aloe vera gel, MAC strobe cream, and the Clinique Dramatically Different gel. These are the three products that I use to prep my face for any makeup application. Now I'm taking my MAC NC46 in Studio Fix Fluid, and I am taking that and taking a brush and blending that out. So I just cream contoured with Black Radiant Suede Mocha, the foundation stick, and now I'm taking NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and Caramel. I was scraping like heck out of this little travel size bottle, so I clearly need to go really get a big one. But I'm actually adding some like highlight drops. I forgot what they're called. Luminous drops basically from Makeup Revolution to help blend in my cream contour, and this is basically going to help add that natural glow. second concealer, so I'm taking the MAC Studio Finish, the 24-hour one. I think that's what it's called. Anyways, I'm taking that in NC44, and I'm using that as my highlight shade, and I'm applying that under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, forehead, cupid's bow, chin, all that. Taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I think I am using light beige or medium beige. I don't know. I'll link all the products down below in the description box, but I'm taking that product. I love this powder. This is my favorite powder. I don't think I'll ever love another powder the way I love this one, but I'm literally just going ahead and I'm applying that powder basically in all the areas that I blended out that highlight. Now this is a little trick that I use to help really slender my nose. I just take a lot of product of the translucent powder and I basically create two lines around where the concealer and my nose contour meets. And I'm just pressing in this powder, like I said, in all of those blended areas, as you guys can see. And I'm taking my MAC Gold Deposit and I am bronzing up the skin basically. Skin finish in dark, and I'm basically just applying that all over the areas. I'm kind of just showing you guys where I'm applying that product, but basically I want to tone down the ashiness, so I basically go over all of the highlighted areas and around the perimeter of my face with this product to kind of like even everything out, blend out any harsh lines. So that's the point, and well, that's why I use this product basically. So I'm taking the Ruby Kiss Contour palette that I got from the Beauty Supply, and I'm taking that dark shade that you guys see me dip into and using that basically as a contour. So I'm taking that and applying that to kind of blend into my bronzer and all over. And time to get into this look. So I'm taking my Juvia's palette, the Warrior palette. I'm taking that brown shade and I am popping that color all into my crease. So I'm taking the dark brown shade and I'm basically applying that on the outer corner to kind of just create dimension in the eye. Because I really just want to focus that deep color on the outer part. Yeah. Alright, so I'm taking the darker gold shade, I believe, the whatever shade I pointed to. I'm using the shade at the top and the shade at the very bottom. I think I'm taking the darker one and I'm applying that one on the lid, as well as the lighter one. I'm just lightly going over that one and bringing it into the inner corner more so, and also putting in some highlight for my tear ducts. And then I'm creating a wing liner with my NYX liquid matte pencil, well, not pencil, the liner, but yeah, y'all know what I'm using. You know, I'm just always here for blinding bitches, like, period. If I have to blind a bitch, I will. Okay, so I used my Fenty Beauty highlighter in Hustler Baby. I didn't really talk about that because everything is pretty much displayed, but I'm using a brown lip liner. This is from Kiss, I believe. I think it's coffee brown or something. And then I'm taking MAC Honey Love and applying that. And then just two like glosses I have laying around with no labels. A clear gloss, and then it was like a pink one. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babes.